This is the HPN TrueSpec dual heat slide out cap press. And in this video, we're gonna show you the unboxing and setup for this machine. All right, now that we got our machine out of the box, let's dive into the features. Now to quickly go over the features, we have both a heated upper and lower platen. On the lower platen, we have a slide out mechanism, which is awesome. This is actually the only cap press that we're aware of that currently features this. So truly unique for the TrueSpec cap press. So first, let's show you how to adjust the settings on the touchscreen digital controller. Now, as a reminder, you're always gonna wanna use the recommended settings provided by the manufacturer of your transfer material. So if you're using vinyl, you'll wanna reference the manufacturer settings for that vinyl, or if you're using direct-to-film, check with your supplier to see what they recommend for pressing. First, you're gonna press the S button or the select button. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the upper heating element temperature. Press S again, that's gonna move you to the lower heating element temperature. Press S again, and that's gonna allow you to set your first timer. Now this machine does have 2 timers. After you've adjusted the second timer, press S again, and that's gonna lock in your settings for that preset slot. You have 3 preset slots, which allow you to maintain 3 separate time and temperature combinations for this heat press. Now me personally, I like to have settings for vinyl, DTF, and patches. Those are the 3 things that I use most commonly, but of course, you could set them to whatever you want. Now, to adjust the pressure on this machine, you're going to look underneath the lower platen. There you'll find the pressure adjustment knob. You're gonna turn it clockwise to increase the pressure and counterclockwise to decrease the pressure. All right, so let's go ahead and load our hat. You wanna make sure that all of the inserts have been removed from the hat. We're gonna bring the hat over. Of course, make sure that the tensioning clamp is up and raised. And when you're positioning your hat, you want the curve of the hat to fall off the top edge of the lower platen. So we're gonna position it right about there, hold it in place, lower the tensioning clamp so that way your hat is nice and snug and secure. And so now we're ready to place our transfer. For this example, we're using a leather patch. Of course, you could use all sorts of heat transfer, pretty much any heat transfer that we've tested, we've been able to press successfully here. But let me show you how to use the TransferGuard positioning tool. Then we're gonna hook the transfer guard on one side. I am going to hold my transfer in place like so. Bring the transfer guard up and over. And then hook it down on the other side and we're set. So now let's talk about adjusting the limit plate. If you're in a situation where you're about to press a lot of the same hat, same graphic, like you're doing a run of hats, and you want it to slide into this position every time, that's where the limit plate comes in. So the limit plate is located in the back, right behind the slide out drawer. Adjust the limit plate with these thumb screws, lock it in place. They don't need to be super tight. And so now that limit plate is gonna stop the lower platen every time in the exact same spot. So now I don't have to be as precise. I can just slide it in. It's gonna stop there every time. And now I have a perfect position where the heating element on top is gonna come down and it's not gonna strike my bill. And now that we've loaded our hat properly, we've adjusted the limit plate, we have our pressure set, we're ready to press this thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the handle, clamp it down. Now this is an auto open heat press. Auto open is a feature where we have a special magnet located right here under this contact plate, and that magnet actually holds the handle in the lowered position. Now when the timer reaches 0, the magnet is gonna release, the pressure from the heat press is gonna pop the handle up, and then the hydraulic shocks located right here are gonna help open it all the way. So even though it's a manual close, it's gonna automatically open once the timer has reached 0. There we go, automatically open. We're gonna slide out our cap, gonna remove the transfer guard, and now we have a beautiful hat. Now, the TransferGuard is also great for use as a finishing press. So especially when you're working with direct to film, after you do the initial peel, you usually want to give it a finishing press. The TransferGuard is perfect for that. Now, if you have any additional questions about the setup or operation of your TrueSpec cap press, please feel free to reach out to our team of My Expert Support professionals. This heat press is covered by our My Expert Support guarantee, which includes free lifetime technical support. So again, if you have any questions, you can give us a call at 800-215-0894 or shoot us an email at support@heatpressnation.com. For more information on this machine or to browse the nation's largest selection of professional heat presses, head on over to heatpressnation.com.